Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought it'd be really interesting to do a quick update on the state of the Northgate Plaza here on Upper Front Street in the town of Shenango. This building here in front of us used to be Ames a long time ago, and it's been subject to a lot of rumors that Target or Walmart or Wegmans was going to move in. Well, now it's Small Addictions Hobby Shop. Apparently they moved here from Geneva, if I'm not mistaken. Got some delicious end of winter snow right there. Gross. So let's do a walking tour. This plaza is kind of a mixed bag, really. There's been development like Small Addictions, but no like major new construction or anything like that. And at the other end, we'll arrive at Touch of Texas down there as I step in a pothole. Wonder if this place used to be on a landfill, or is on a landfill, because this looks like some kind of gas relief thing. I don't know. Kind of an interesting ceiling up there. Looks like it used to have like tiles in it and it fell apart, and now it just has a net. So walking down here, we're gonna walk the length of the plaza. It's an old Radio Shack sign right there. That building also has Creature Comforts in it. Pardon me. This used to be a dollar store, and now it looks like they're using it for storage. And another spot where the ceiling is all gone, if you noticed. I'm guessing Plaza leaks a lot, at least in the parcels that aren't being used. This used to be a collectibles. I think it was some kind of sports collectible store. And then next up here, this is a really, really interesting facade. It used to be a restaurant, and I'm told it was really popular. I can't remember the name of it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see inside. Looks like there's some kind of mural on the wall there. Ah, there it is. It was the Bull's Head. So yeah, I'm told it was really popular and a cool place to hang out. Love the facade. And then of course you have Rite Aid, which has been here forever and ever and ever. Although I'm told they might be moving soon. That would be a big blow for this plaza because it attracts a lot of people. Grande's Pizza, which everybody loves. Hi, morning. Or afternoon now. Thrift store right here. This place has also been here forever. There's a lot of loyal places in here that haven't really moved. Some kind of snack shop, lottery store that opened up a while ago, a couple months, I think it was last summer. Northgate Wines and Liquor. Great place to get liquor. You got Allstate right here. Another empty place. Looks like it was a beauty salon at some point. Another former beauty salon right here. Looks like this one's still in pretty good shape, this space. Chinese fast food. Another empty one. Huh. The parcels on the south end of the plaza look like they're still in really good shape. The ones towards the Ames side, the north end of the plaza, have a lot of like ceiling damage. Northgate vacuum store. Also been here forever. And last but not least, Touch of Texas. We are still here patiently waiting to reopen our doors. Touch of Texas was fabulous before the pandemic hit. It was a great place to watch a concert. Really great place. Used to be a Giant grocery store, but then Giant got bought by Weiss and they kept the store open for a couple years. But they also have the Weiss way down there. And that Weiss is much more modern and much nicer inside than this one ever was. So they ended up closing it. So yeah, that's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.